Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Netflix picture-in-picture not working. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is check your subscription. For that, what you can do is simply head over to Play Store, tap on You at the bottom right of your screen, tap on your profile icon at the top right of your screen, after which you can simply head over to Payments and Subscriptions, and under Subscriptions you must verify which tier your Netflix account is subscribed to. The other thing is that you're verified that your phone is updated to at least Android 8.0 or plus. The other thing that you can do is make sure that the app access is enabled for picture-in-picture. For that, head over to settings, tap on apps, tap on Netflix. Once you're here, what you'll have to do is tap on picture-in-picture and make sure that picture-in-picture is allowed. Here is how to trigger your Netflix picture-in-picture mode. While playing a video on Netflix, swipe up to return to your home screen, which will enable picture-in-picture. If it still fails, what you can do is simply head over to your quick settings, tap on your power icon and restart your device completely and try again. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down